Hi there, ready to connect with folks in the USA on Facebook? Well, today I will show you a quick and easy way to find some awesome USA groups. So let's get started. First things first, start by opening up your Facebook account. Now look for that handy dandy search bar at the top and type in something like USA groups, or you can get into specific with your interest like USA travel or USA foodies. Then just click on search or enter, and then after hitting enter, you will see a bunch of results. Now, to make your life easier, click on the Groups tab to filter out irrelevant stuff. Now, here comes the fun part. Start scrolling through the groups that catch your eye, and you will see a bunch of them with engaging names and descriptions. Click on the ones that make you go like, hey, this is my jam. And once you're in, hit that join button and you're officially part of the group. Once you're part of the group, don't be shy, introduce yourself. You can also share your thoughts or just lurk for a bit to get the vibe. Facebook groups are like digital hangout spots, and you might just find your new online crew. And there you have it. You're now equipped to find and join some awesome USA groups on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more guides and insights on all things Facebook.